Today, guys, we're going to be doing the pepper challenge. Let me tell you, this looks next. Gross. You guys might think, oh, it's a pepper. No, it's this nasty noodle crap. I don't want to eat this, but we're going to have to. Till next time, subscribe and bye.